Hello students, welcome to the class of Technomethics. So today we have taken one question where we need to find the shaded area. Okay, this is the question in front of you where this circle is having a rectangle inside it, and the rectangle is like this. So this rectangle is A, B, C, D. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So students, into this question, it's mentioned that ABCD is a rectangle and the dimensions of these are 8 centimeter for the length and 6 centimeter for the breadth, right? And it's also given that AC is the diagonal of this rectangle, which is shown to you into the figure, right? And this is the center of this circle, which is just passing through the diagonal. Let us say the center of the circle is O. Now we need to find the shaded area, which I have written into the purple area into the question. So this is the shaded area which we are going to calculate. What is the area of this shaded region, right? This is the shaded region. So just to calculate the area of this shaded region, what we need to do? To calculate the area of this shaded region, you need to evaluate what is this shaded area consist of. This shaded area consists of few portion, and that portion you can identify that what is that portion. Okay, it's very easy to identify, my dear friends. You can see this shaded area is a part of the circle, right? Is a part of this circle but not part of this rectangle, right? So the shaded area, this area, can be easily calculated if you find the area of the circle and from that you subtract the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle is nothing but 6 into 8 because length into breadth, right? That is 48 centimeter square. That is the area of the rectangle, you can easily calculate. But how you will be identify the area of the circle, so that you can subtract the area of the rectangle from the area of the circle to get the area of the shaded region, right? But to calculate the area of this circle, you should note the radius of this circle. This radius should be known to you, and this radius can be calculated. You know how? This radius can be calculated if you know know the length of this diagonal of this rectangle, right? So if you consider the ABC, the right angle triangle, and we know the property of a rectangle that all the angles of a rectangle are 90-degree, right? So we can say that if we consider a triangle ABC, and just in triangle ABC apply the Pythagoras. So I'm writing in triangle ABC, by applying the Pythagoras we calculate the length of AC, right? By applying the Pythagoras we can calculate the length of AC. How? Because AC square is nothing but AB square plus BC square, and length of AB and BC is known to you. So just put it over here, and to calculate the AC, root over of AB square, that is 64, and BC square is 36, because 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. This will give you root over of 100. This will give you the length of AC as equal to 10. Square root of 100 is 10. So 10 centimeter is calculated as the length of AC. So the radius, if you calculate the radius R, it will be AC by 2, because the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, right? So AC by 2 will be 10 by 2, which will be coming as 5 centimeter. So the radius is calculated as equal to 5 centimeter, my dear friends. If radius is calculated as 5 centimeter, then what we will do? If radius is calculated as 5 centimeter, then area of this circle can be calculated, that is pi into 5 square. This is the area of circle. From the area of circle, subtract the area of rectangle, that is from pi into 5 square, subtract the area of rectangle, that is 8 into 6, right? You will get the area of the shaded region, my dear friends, right?